I grew up in Seattle and went to some schools with some pretty awesome teachers who really got me excited about math and science and solving puzzles and problems at a young age. My name is Mackenzie and I'm a fourth year PhD candidate in computer science at King's College London. That's a really big and important question that people are still trying to tackle, and it's going to take a long time to figure it out. But I think there are a few things that are true, and one is that we need to start breaking down those gender stereotypes at a young age, and that can be helped by just encouraging young girls to get into STEM, get into coding, all different kinds of things, and also have women role models that they can look up to, which is really important. And I think at then a higher level within university or academia, we need more allyship across the board because EDI projects are really important and crucial to tackle those very barriers. But I think we're lacking in having the more represented and less marginalized groups actually helping with these kinds of EDI initiatives.